Hey guys, in the last video we learned how to make clickable images, so save the file with clickable_images.html. I forgot to do that, sorry about that. And now in this video we'll be learning how to make lists using HTML. So we'll go to the blank.html file and we will do a save as on it, Ctrl S. Why it's not happening? Yeah. And I will be saving it in my HTML folder and change the title to list.html. And now to create a list, to create an ordered list we use a tag, that is the OL tag. So opening OL tag and the closing OL tag. And now inside this OL tag it needs to have some data or list items. We write some data by using the li tag, and we can write list number 1, and maybe we can copy this line and change this to list number 2. And then paste it once more and then change the title list number 3. Sorry about that. Save that, open it in the web browser, see the output. And you can see this. And you can see that we didn't write these numbers. It came because we are making an ordered list. And let us write a comment that to make sure that it is an ordered list so that you don't get confused. Save that, you will not see any output because it's a comment. And now to create an ordered list, let's write a comment first so that you don't get confused. Unordered list. Close the comment. And now to create an unordered list we use a UL tag, that means unordered lists. Now it needs to have some data. We know this tag is li, and now in the li we will write some names of some food. So we can write burgers, fries and noodles. Save that, and you can see this type of bullets. So this is, and remember that this is an ordered list where we have these numbers, and unordered list we have bullets. And later we can style this with CSS, but that will be in another video, guys. So an ordered list is used when the order of items in the list is important, and unordered list is used when the order of items in the list doesn't matter. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.